In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product slider in Pagefly for your Shopify store. This is a straightforward process that will only take about 5 minutes, and I'm here to guide you through each step. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and search for Shopify. Once you arrive at the login page, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to your Pagefly dashboard. You'll want to open the specific Pagefly page where you want to add the product slider. This will take you to the Pagefly editor, where all the magic happens. On your left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for the icon labeled Elements and give it a click. This will open up a variety of options that you can use to customize your page. While you're here, you'll want to navigate to the Shopify tab within that menu. This tab contains all the Shopify-related elements you can use on your page. Now take a moment to locate the product list element. Once you've found it, drag and drop it onto the area of the page where you want your product slider to appear. This simple action adds a robust element to your page layout and sets the stage for the slider. Once you've added the product list element, it's time to tweak its settings. Click on the product list element you've just added. You should see a settings panel pop up. In this panel, locate the General tab, which will contain all the important options for customizing your slider. Within the General tab, you'll find a setting called Product Source. Here, you'll want to select the Custom Collection option. This choice allows you to tailor the product display exactly how you want it. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose the specific product collection you want to showcase in your slider. After setting up your product collection, stay within that same General tab. You'll need to scroll down a bit to find the Layout setting. This is where the magic of the slider happens. Under Layout, you have the option to select Slideshow. By choosing this option, it'll automatically configure your products to be displayed in a sleek carousel or slider format, allowing for an engaging user experience. And there you have it, folks. You've transformed a static product list into an interactive slider, bringing your Shopify page to life with just a handful of clicks. With this simple addition, you can greatly enhance the visual appeal of your store, making it more dynamic and engaging for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most of your Shopify store. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.